Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the move now. First, make a quick backup so you can undo mistakes. Once done, verify the target drive is connected and formatted NTFS. This avoids permission issues. Next, open disk management and identify the partition letters for both source and target. Write them down. Now, if the target needs a new partition, create and assign a drive letter. Make sure you have admin rights. You'll need them for the next file transfers and system changes. You'll now move user data and applications. First, change system defaults. Go to Settings, System, Storage, and change where new content is saved so new files go to the target drive. Then move existing user folders one at a time. Right-click Documents, Properties, Location, then move and pick the new path. Windows updates shortcuts and permissions automatically. For apps, prefer uninstalling and reinstalling to the new drive, or use each app settings to change its storage folder. This keeps programs stable and preserves file associations. Finish by updating any shortcuts and verifying apps can access moved files. Once done, run disk cleanup and optimize the target drive, then set a system restore point so you can roll back if needed. Test opening several file types and launching apps from their new locations. If something fails, check NTFS permissions for your user, run chkdsk on both drives, and ensure drive letters match. If issues persist, restore from your backup copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.